What's up YouTube? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe before we start this video. We are so close to hitting 100 subscribers, as you can see right now. Yeah. So yeah guys, yeah. But before we start this video, if you want to know how to make intros like this, you need to watch the rest of this video. Yeah guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now let's carry on with the video guys. Bye. What is up gamers, it is your boy Pro Pokemon Gamer, and today in this video I am going to be showing you finally how to make an intro. It's super easy, I promise you guys. It only it depends. No, it doesn't even depend. It'll take you 1 minute to make an intro. At max it would take us 5 minutes. But guys, it is super easy if you guys want to know how to make intros. Just like the one that I'm about to show you, then I'm going to show you. But before we start this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Go watch my latest video. In 2 hours, it has that many views. What, guys? So yeah, if you guys want an intro or outro, whatever you want, there are way more options than this. There are so many amazing options. While I'm there, I'm going to download something just for the middle of my videos. It's going to be really cool. You make it yourself. So if you want cool intros like that, yeah. But if we hit a like goal of 5 likes on this video, I'm gonna be showing you my setup, and then after that, I'm gonna do a big shack. It's supposed to be cringy, but yeah, guys, let's get started with the video. First of all, you're gonna want to go to panzoid.com. There you go, intro maker. Okay, once you go to Panzoid. Is it even recording still? Okay, yeah, still recording. By the way, guys, I have been saving up money in my piggy bank to buy a new mic. I had a better mic earlier, but it's actually from using a phone, and it is way, way, way harder. I'm just gonna go buy a $20 mic, and yeah, guys, unless I can figure out how to make my phone into a mic. Search up on YouTube, it's not working. Any background noise, they're doing renovations outside to my community. If you guys heard that noise, why is my laptop falling apart each time? Yeah, well, I guess it's because, oh yeah, you know what, it probably is falling apart, and it just popped out like that. If you have an HP laptop, for maximum protection, sometimes it might pop out, but it's to, keep the internal safe. So, I fell all the way down from the stairs, and I was carrying my laptop with me. I landed right on my kneecap. It hurts. My kneecap still hurts. So, yeah. I don't know why it is not working. Clip maker. 1 second, guys. Going to Panzoid. Okay, now it's working. Alright. So you just pick an intro you want. Let's just go with this intro. You open this in Clipmaker. I haven't made one in I think 2 months, so yeah, but I'm pretty sure I know how to use it. You go like this. You see how it looks like? And play it. Okay. So yeah. You can just pick, there's 1,000, you can just search them up or something. There's over, I think 5 million choices you can pick. I'm just gonna pick this one randomly. So then you're gonna want to go to basics, video resolution, just keep it at 1080p, or you can put it at 720p, you just pick. Frame rate, just keep it at 30. It's up to you how long you want the intro to be. Like, I keep mine at 10 seconds. It should no longer be than 8 because people don't want such a long intro, but I'm lazy. But I kind of like mine the way it is. So, yeah. And then, you want to go to, these are just extras. So then you're going to want to go to, bear with me. Oh yeah, it's this one, I forgot. Okay. So you're going to go on and we'll go to name. You're going to want to edit it into saying pro. Okay, that one is not it. Bear with me, bear with me. Okay, it's this one. Because sometimes people make it harder for you. Nope, that's not that one. Or wait, I might be doing this wrong. Let's just put it in like this. You should all say whatever you want it to say, like this. And then you want to do that one more time. Click on it. You can change the thickness of it, the fonts. And then you can just always just change the fonts. Yeah. See, with this intro, mine is too big, my name. So, for example, for something like that, you're just gonna want to go to the size, and no, you're just gonna want to go to the thickness. No, thickness is good. Height, you're gonna want to make it go to. Dude, that does it too. I don't think height has to do anything with it. Bear with me, guys. Oh, it's position or something. Yeah, but that is just with your intro. Yeah, so this one won't fit for me. Let's look at any way I could. I don't know how a way because I'm just yeah, but there's way more intros that can you can fit in. Like this is just one of those that it won't fit in that you would have to edit. It's super easy to edit. But yeah, guys. So yeah, let's go back and I'm gonna be showing you the one I want. Oh yeah, I forgot how to show you how to download it. So you go to download, this little download icon, and then you go to mode, good quality, format, you pick whatever format you want, and then start video render, and then yeah, you let it allow cancel render. I'm not downloading that one, I don't need it. So yeah, that's all that you gotta do. And oh, that's cool, they added a video editor, but I bet you it costs money. So yeah, if you want, go to more. I think this is the one I have. Yeah. So 1 million. Yeah, if you guys want that, just search up 1 million. I'm gonna go into old TV, like you know the old TV screen, something like that. Yeah. Trending. These are all the trending ones. I might even change my intro. But yeah, these are like the ones on trending. So yeah. I forgot the person that recommended this video. I'm gonna give them a shout out. Yeah, the person that recommended this video is like on my Forza or Angling. I forgot. I think it's on my Forza YouTube video. If you guys want more Forza, it's coming out soon, I promise. I like my own videos because I'm that type of person. I like my own comments. Yeah, so this person, Caitlin and Heidi Stanfield or something. Shout out to them. Make them hit 30 subscribers. So, yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this video is gonna come out very, very soon as I'm recording this. And yeah, guys. Pokemon gamer.